Welcome to this Power Teacher Gradebook screencast where I'm going to walk through creating summative and formative categories in the gradebook. So here I am in the gradebook, down in the categories area. This is where you create categories for your assignments. The only two categories we're going to have for standards-based grading are formative and summative. So let's create the summative category first. I'm going to click the little plus here to open up a new category box. And I'm going to fill this in as summative. Abbreviation can be the same because it fits. You can choose a color. When you choose your color here, choose something other than blue. Standards are blue. You'll see that later, so it just helps to differentiate on screen what you're looking at. For points possible, this should be 4 because we use 4 points in a standards-based grading system. Score type should be points. Include in final grade should be checked. Publish assignment immediately and publish scores should be checked. The last thing to fill out is down here. You should make a note in the description box that says summative scores are included in the final grade. And click OK. So now that category has been created. Anything that you add as a summative will be included in the final grade. Let's click on the plus and let's create our formative one. Now there's some different choices here for the formative assignments. And I'll point those out. So I'm going to fill in the name and the abbreviation. Under color, again, pick something other than blue. Still choose 4 for points possible. Should be points. We're going to uncheck include in final grade. I do want to make a note here, though, that this does not keep the standard scores out of the final grade. When you get to later with putting in your assignments, if you do put in formative scores, actual numerical values, you will still have to exempt them later. This is just good so that the assignment, if any mistakes are made with the assignment would not be included in the final grade. And you'll see that later. Now for elementary is going to choose for publish assignment never. That's for case 6. By choosing never, this makes it so that the formative assignments you put in will not show to the students and the parents. This is to be used more as a tracking measure so that you have data if you need it, to show any formatives that students have done along the way up to a summative assignment. Along with that, if the reason we're not choosing to have formatives be published are because there are not currently common formatives across K6. However, at the middle school should leave this as immediately for grades 7, 8, and published scores should be checked so that those scores, those assignments would all publish to the gradebook so that parents can see them. And just like we did in the summative area, we're going to make a note here, formative scores are not included in the final grade. That'll just help when parents and students look at the assignments. Formative will be linkable so that somebody could click on it and that they'll see that description. So again, follow those steps there, click OK, and now you have your 2 categories ready for putting in your assignments, and we'll show you how to put assignments in the next screencast or in the written directions. Thanks for watching.